Hey, today we make Kanom Krok. On a rainy day, so we make some coconut pancake or rice pancake. Some people call that, but in Thai, Kanom Krok. So we have a butter that ready here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this one in. But before we pour this one in, I have to check the fire. You can use the oil, you know, or butter, right? A fusion of butter is good, or the oil, you know, clean it. You make a thing like this, you know, like you can brush them. It's easy that way, you see?
Yes.
Yeah, butter, it make it non-stick and get some flavor. Or you can use oil. My grandma used to do. She used the oil, which is the oil that fry shallot in it. You get the shallot taste in it. It's really nice.
Oh, using it.
Yeah,
Nice.
but today I teach you a easy way. Okay, my first thing in there, right? You can do individuals or you can pour. Oops, sorry, a bit too much. We're not gonna pour them the whole thing, you know, because we have to have some, you know, for the. I'm turning it low a little bit for the topping. You can do taro, you know, corn, right? But the very standard for Thai is scallion or chives, you know, the own style with chives, garlic chive. But you can use the green onion too if you want. Yeah, anything what you have, but this is what we have today. So we put it over here.
I'll try this big one. Just 'cause
Extra crispy, but hot, huh? Hot. The sweetness, the saltiness is good.
It's like a cookie with custard in the middle.
We just can't wait until like everything, so we just want to stick it in like that because the rain come.
Get one, get one.
I had it.
You had
Eat it. Yeah, I keep eating it.
Wow. I thought we were the one that. Okay, it's okay. You smell that.
Oh, it smells so. Oh, smells so good.
It's even better than the ones we got on the street.
Yeah. Fresh coconut milk too.
Everything.
The sugar is organic raw sugar and the coconut sugar. So we don't use white sugar. Like I said, white sugar you can too. It's sweet but more artificial. This is more natural.
It's more organic, more natural, and more traditional. I love that crunchiness.
The mission is successful. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ